Hello and welcome to me explaining Python under 140 seconds. A man named Gildo van Rossum made Python, and the graph shows the most popular coding languages on GitHub. The creator of Python made Python not for a job but as a hobby. Python is also a great beginner programming language. Python was made in 1989. Some apps you might be familiar with like YouTube, Google, Dropbox, Netflix, and more were made with Python. Oh, and also NASA used Python. Here is the jobs part: data scientist. The one who cracks complex problems which relate to the field of math, statistics, and brings around a solution to these problems in a logical manner. Software engineer. The one who designs, develops, tests, and maintains software apps of clients based on their requirements. Web developer. The one who creates web apps to serve users using the client-server model. These are apps such as info sharing, social network platforms, entertainment. Machine learning engineer. The one who designs, develops, implements, tests, and maintains machine and deep learning systems and algorithms. These are basically building stuff that the public can use on this part. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.